Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. And today we're going to be installing this lock on the glove box here. If you want to secure your items in there, we'll go ahead. This will be simple and easy to replace. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, you just want to come here to the passenger side of the Sport Trac. Here is our glove box. The glove box does not come standard with anything to lock the glove box. So, you know, if you want to keep anything in here valuable like your wallet, cell phone, you know, unfortunately if somebody gets into your vehicle, they can open up your glove box and take whatever possessions are in there. So, went ahead and got this lock. It's going to be the same here. It was out of a Ford Ranger, and went ahead and got a key cut for it. So first step, what we're going to have to do, each side of the glove box, it's just a little rubber tab. So we'll go ahead, on both sides, drop the glove box down, and you'll just need a Phillips screwdriver. We'll go ahead and we'll remove this inner part of the glove box, which will give us access to the screws on the back side of this lock. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 screws holding this glove box in. So we'll go ahead and we'll just remove those 7, and that'll give us access to the back of this lock. Okay, we got those 7 screws removed. Go ahead and just take this inner part of the glove box out, and this will give us access to the back of the screws. Let's go ahead and remove those 3 screws. That should remove the factory latch. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison of the standard latch and the upgraded Ranger lockable latch. Side by side. Okay, let's go ahead and install the lockable one. Alright, we got the lockable latch installed. If you want to go ahead, just make sure it lines up. Make sure the lock actually works. Alright, we can go ahead. We can put the plastic insides back on. Let's go ahead and put those screws back where they belong. So if you want that added security, where you can put your cell phone, your wallet in here, lock the glove box. Nice little feature to have. If you want to know where to find one of these lockable latches, Ford Ranger, let's just say 1996 through 2004, 5, or 6 Ford Rangers, it was an option. If you find one of these in the junkyard or online, snatch it up. They're getting really hard to find, but just has that added security for your glove box. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Monday to 6. Out.